ai tao.
Sampai aja bentar. Umngot. Buat umngot ke bagian lah. Adalah. Adalah. Ismia tu dia. Baik am. Ismia puai. Ismia sebelah tu dia. Kamu ini malah aja sana. Ini lebih kilang dunia. Tak rehan tak kiri.
Tao. Okay, this is our local guides. So Master
Rom.
Rom. His name is Rom. Master Rom and Master Alphon. Okay. These are the two local guides which I hired today to take me into this beautiful river of Umngot River. Okay, up there you can see the bridge. A very old bridge. Okay, it has very few irons in it. Oh, it's dangerous. You cannot climb. Okay, if you are a chicken-hearted fellow, it takes great heart to pass through that one and to the other side of the river. And if you fall, then it's sure to die. If you fall on the rocks, that's so gone. If you fall into the water also, that's so gone if you're not swimming. Okay, but yeah, that bridge is called Mangsyeew, right? Mangsyeew, yes.
Ya. Lo Marcel.
Yeah. So there are someone fishing here. There are. I can see two lines, fishing lines. That one is fishing line up there. Okay, and here as well. This clear blue water. Wow, so deep. But you can still see the bottom. You can still see the bottom. It's deep. Okay. You can still see around 1 or 2 story building deep. But you can still see the bottom. So clear. So fresh. So nice. This is our initial. See, that rock is very polished. That one. Very polished. Wow. You can see. Oh my goodness. Highly polished, that one.